Video by abronexport. This is a very simple circuit. We are trying to understand how to connect the voltmeter and ammeter in the circuit. This is a battery eliminator or power supply. It has a 12 volt in steps. Here we have the steps and it is up to 2 ampere. We have 3 ampere, 5 ampere also, and this is on off switch. Very easy. This is selector. This is not a stabilized one. Stabilized has a proper output like 2 volts. This will give little more voltage, but on the load it will come down. And this is a voltmeter which is having 9 volt battery inside, and this is on off switch. I can switch on, there is no reading here. I can switch on, there is no reading here. But if you connect, these are the two things. Here I can connect positive to positive and negative to negative. So the meter will show you the reading. So it is connected. You can see these two wires are connected in the parallel form, and then they both are connected in the parallel. Parallel means this is here I am connecting with the 2 meters. I can go to 2 volts, I can go to 4, 6, 8, whatever is coming. This is without load. So once again, now if I have to connect it to any voltmeter, which is, it always works in the parallel. I can switch off and keep it on. There is always be reading 0. If I have to connect a circuit, here. It is very easy. A meter is to be connected in the circuit. Means one wire will go from here to the positive, and the positive will go to the rheostat. I can connect it on the bottom. This, if I connect to here, it will be fixed. If I connect to the top of side, it will be variable. This will be variable. If I can change it, then the reading will change. This is second wire is connected to the power supply. Now the circuit is complete. You can see one wire coming. I generally call it as a water circuit. One section here going to the other section, then it goes, travels, and then it goes back to the instrument. So battery limiter, I can connect it. It shows how much amperes it is consuming. Now if I want to check what is the voltage, I can just put these two wires in the parallel. Here it is connected. Here it is connected to the parallel. So now it tells you the 4 volts and this much is the ampere. I can change the variation. I can change this. I can change it. The resistance increases, so current decreases. I can reduce it to the smallest, but it should never be 0. It should not be connected here without any circuit. Otherwise, this will burn the instrument. And here also, it shows you the voltage. Now I can increase it to 6 volt. It shows the 5 volts, and the current will be 5 amperes. I can increase it to higher. So this cannot give you the 5 amperes. So I am increasing. So this is up to 6.36 is the current that is coming, 0.6. I can increase it to 12 volts. It is coming 12, 13 volts. On the load, it is using 0.3. I can reduce it. It increases the amperes. Once I increase the resistance, it reduces the current. So the more resistance means lesser current goes. So very little goes, and this goes in the parallel. You can connect in the series. This meter and voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So this is a very easy circuit. You can see the other videos. You can connect this to any heater or bar calendar and barn separators or heater of the specific gravity. We have got the 2 videos. Yesterday we loaded few days back for 2 instruments which are calendar and barn separators. Here we can connect these calendar and barn separators. The circuit remains same. If the meter can be LED also, meter can be LCD. This is display, LCD display. Please visit those videos, share the videos, like the videos. Our email is abron01@gmail.com, and another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 999222204, another is 94160. Please share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Very easy to use, very easy to understand. Thank you very much.